Hey guys, I've just collected the keys to this 3-bed. So the legacy tenants have just left. I'm going to walk in now, walk around and see what it needs doing and send it to the client. Let's walk in. Okay, so front entrance, already signs of mold. So that really this wallpaper needs to come off because half of it's coming off anyway, or a lot of it's come off. So this wallpaper really needs to be stripped down. And then everything repainted. That's a single glaze. That might be okay here as a porch. It needs new flooring here. This is too old. It's like a weird green, yellow colour. Front door really should be repainted. Ideally replaced because it's just the style is just very old. And then it's wallpaper. These wallpaper aren't going to come off very easy. Potentially it can be repainted because it's only minor tears. So potentially it can be repainted, and that should be really relatively inexpensive. Carpet, it's an old green colour. Don't think you can see it on the video. 2 banisters. What needs doing? Door. These doors really should be replaced with panel doors, or at least been repainted. Panel doors aren't cheap. Aren't expensive. And it's better just to replace it with a panel door. Again, these wallpaper aren't easy to take off, but potentially it can be painted over, sand down and paint those. Okay, and that's where a sign of mould there. That can be painted. Skirting boards should really be painted. Okay, these panel doors should be replaced. I think it just needs, at a minimum, it needs to be redecorated throughout. Okay, so kitchen. Flooring is quite old. That mould needs to be looked at. There's mould everywhere, even on the door as well. Kitchen cabinets seem fine. Just needs repainting. Again, just repaint throughout. So that's fine. These are on new. Out here is fine. Just needs repainting. That needs treating and repainting. The fence panels have gone down, so they need to be put back up. And then some of those rubbish just needs to be removed. I think the tenants have burnt some stuff at the back as well. That needs doing. There's probably water somewhere. That's okay. So that needs painting, but really that should just be all taken out. And these should just be removed and then just repainted. Because that's just very old looking and it's wasting a lot of space. So if we open this up and just turn this into the bathroom, or take this door away and leave this door here, the door should be replaced really. These old, really, this needs a new bathroom. So the extractor fan's working, but there's a lot of mould here. Along here, these are too old. That's already peeling. Over there, so that can be resealed. So that can all be resealed. There's a lot of mould in there. It's a single glazed window there. But these tiles are too old, and that needs to be panelled off. That's old as well. That glass needs replacing. I don't think the tenants here use the boiler, use the heating much. Carpets needs replacing. It's just too stained. I'm not sure you can see the stains on here. Okay. Upstairs. That's fine. That just needs replacing. That is painting, but that's more or less fine. decorating. Okay, smallest bedroom, decent sized bedroom. Needs to investigate these mould. I've just opened the windows and I'm going to leave them ajar just so there's circulation in here. I suspect that radiator's not big enough, so that might need replacing. Second bedroom, again loads of damp over there. I'll open the window as well. Let's give some circulation. I think these window sealing have actually gone, there's no sealant here. So I suspect these windows need replacing as well. And there's quite a few of them that's blown. And that radiator is not big enough for this room. The carpet will need replacing. Just got 3 different designs here. 1, 2, 3. That needs securing. Final bedroom. Some damp, some stain marks there, and some mould up there. That one needs replacing. Again, that window's blown. So that's probably what's causing a lot of these mould issues. And more stains in here as well. There's a crack going up there. This just needs looking at as well, and it's repainting. Yeah, and ideally all these doors need replacing as well. My name is Nguyen from Sentinel Lettings. We let and manage high quality HMOs and single lets in and around Birmingham. We also renovate properties like this, bring them up to a good standard and rent them out to tenants. If you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to like and follow for more. Alright, see you.